It's here, and I'm very excited. Now, I don't really have a good unboxing location on this channel. This is just my basement, so sorry if the lighting and everything isn't perfect, but I've got my Oculus Quest 2. I am super excited about it, and we're gonna unbox this thing. And if you hear my kids upstairs and all that, that's because I have kids upstairs and they're playing with Grandma, and so hopefully it's not too noisy. Let's take a look. I think I can pan this camera down to give us a shot at this thing. Okay, hopefully got a good shot at this now. Just getting you a look at the case. All right, let's go ahead and open up the box. By the way, packaging-wise, it was just this box inside of a just cardboard box with no additional padding or anything. Doesn't seem to be damaged or anything, so seems to have done okay with that, but there wasn't any additional packaging. And I did order this directly from the Oculus website. On that matter of ordering directly from the Oculus website, I will note that when I checked for these on Amazon, they were marked up quite a bit and generally sold as like a bundle with other accessories. Okay, how do I get this out? It looks like it slides out. Bit of a tear in that packaging there. I did not make that tear as far as I know. Not that big of a deal. Okay, so that is slipped off, and we now have the cardboard box. Feels fairly nice opening it. Maybe I can pan up a little bit to get you a wider shot here. Okay, so we just have a little 1, 2, 3 guide for, I guess, put batteries in the controllers, turn it on, and put it on your head, adjusting the strap. Yeah, seems pretty straightforward. Okay. Controller. Okay. My first time feeling a Oculus controller. Buttons feel pretty nicely responsive. Don't feel too mushy. Joystick has a decent click to it. This feels slightly mushy, but nothing I'm concerned about. And we got a trigger here. Again, these feel okay. They're not the most premium feeling controller I've ever held in my hand, but I don't have any objections to it, especially considering the how inexpensive this is. $299 if you get the 64 gigabyte version. I have the 256 gigabyte version. Yeah, this one feels good too. Seems to be the same general set of buttons, but you got a slightly different button here than here, I guess. Kind of like your start and select type of thing. Okay. Yeah, those feel good. Got the little wrist straps. Okay. So the headset itself is right here. Okay, just saying that you can move the lenses left and right for the clearest view. I'm assuming that's talking about the inner pupillary distance or whatever you call it. Okay, it's saying don't get sunlight on lenses. And got a little peel here. Okay, pretty satisfying peel we've got on there. Okay, that just pops off. Okay, seems to be some adjustability here. Definitely not the most premium head strap I've ever seen, but hopefully it gets the job done. Again, this thing was not too expensive. Okay, this feels like, yeah, is this also just a protective piece of plastic here? Seems like it. Okay. So yeah, there was just a protective wrap around it. Okay, so now we can feel the actual device. Again, it feels fine. I wouldn't say it's, you know, the most premium thing I've ever felt. But again, hopefully gets the job done for the price. I think these are your sensors for the inside-out tracking of the controllers, your cameras. We got a USB-C port here. I think that's an audio jack. Some kind of a button here. Okay. Plus minus here, maybe that's a volume control or something. And what else is in the box? So I think this is a spacer for if you, yeah, glasses spacer. So a glasses spacer for if you have glasses. Now I'll probably usually wear contacts when I use this, but I do sometimes wear glasses, so it's nice to know it has a glasses spacer. Do I just pull this apart to get this off? Seems to be the way to go. Okay. It's like the last thing we've got here is this box with the Oculus symbol on it. Okay. Safety and warranty. Doesn't seem too interesting. Reference guide. Okay. Again, nothing too mind-blowing here. Further in the box, it looks like we have a USB Type-C cord, and that is a charger. And I think that's it for unboxing things. I'm pretty excited to try this thing out. Maybe I can get a shot of me here putting it on my head. Okay, and I might as well try the thing on. Hopefully I'm still in the shot. I can't see anything. Was there an on button here? Okay, feels a little snug. I can get a little light coming in here from the bottom. Possible I'll be able to adjust that to where I don't see as much light coming in. That's already a little bit better, but not perfect. Again, I haven't really adjusted this too much. And got a little plasticky smell. I'm imagining that'll fade over time. Where's the on button? Okay, now I'm not expecting this to be a full-on like first impressions video. Was that the on button? I think I turned it on. Okay, I do see something. It sounds like it has some audio built in. So you don't, I guess, need headphones to operate. Okay, that's already pretty cool looking, I gotta say. All right, this video isn't really about the first impression, but I've got to say it seems like it's up and running, and expect further content in the future. I don't know if I'm looking at the camera, but I hope you have an excellent day.